Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. And this one's going to be a quick weekly forecast. I'm going to just fly through it because, the upcoming week, I'm going to be very busy. I know a few of you already know what's going to be going on. If you don't, well, you probably won't find out. So let's quickly just jump straight into it. Yeah, last week was an interesting week again. Price basically was just it was your pullback week, basically. Yeah, the whole week was a pullback, and then at the end, it was just like a continuation. I expected price to drop into this area here, where you can look on the left was guarded by these 2 weeks and this double top that we had. You can see price tapped into here and then completed, well, basically pushed up towards the upside. So the first level I was looking at was this 50 level, right, which was the support. And you can see that price did chill here for at least like 1 or 2 tries, but then kept attacking that resistance. So once it did that, it pushed 58 and then continued its way up to the next support, right? Which is this break that we had over there. Let me just get rid of the drawing so you guys can see it was right here. Price from this impulse move down, did a 78% retracement, right? Into this area. And this is where you obviously could have started placing your sells, SL above the previous high to continue the price down. Right, I was saying this on the VIP that price could start turning around from here. So then what was I doing? I dropped down to the lower time frame. I looked for where price was slowing down, right? It was slowing down right over here. What do we have? We had equal highs. Yeah. When price creates equal highs, it's usually like a liquidity collection. You want to see what happens after the liquidity collection. Price collected liquidity, popped above, took out the SLs, and then decided to pop straight down, retest the broken support, and then continue its way down, right? So that's how I start to look at the market. I wanted a bigger retracement, right? But we never got that retracement, and this zone is like has been left behind, which is fine because the momentum, is pretty strong. As you can see, it's still pushing towards the downside. Now, just looking at where price is now, what's going to happen on Monday, right, is we can have two sort of scenarios, right? Price is now sitting at a buy zone where price push up from, right? What we could have is we could have price continue its push on Monday and push the lows, or price could have an immediate retrace on Monday, Tuesday, and then price can continue its push down. I'm not expecting this trend line to break. If it does, then this forecast is sort of invalid, but I'm expecting this bearish pressure to keep pushing. And then on a 4-hour time frame, after we break these lows, I'm expecting for price to push down to you have the 20s and then back down to 1710. And then once it's back down to 1710, you should pretty much start looking at, okay, where's the next key level? $10 down, 1700, which is an institutional level as well. Okay, so once you have that, you should be able to see some sort of moves that you'd get, which is like this, and then price could keep pushing down. And then once you're here, this sort of almost looks like a retracement, and then price to continue its push back down, right? So then you could start looking at 1680 and so on and so forth. So but I think that might not all happen in a week, but looking at this weekly candle, it does look a bit, yeah, it did close bearish. So yeah, because it was looking like a proper reversal candle just before Friday, and Friday did end up creating a nice little bearish move to end off the week. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm looking for. I wanted to quickly fly through it just so it's not too long for you guys and it's not wasting a lot of your time. So yes, two scenarios: either push down to continue its move with the bearish pressure, or price to retrace. That would have been that would be an ideal move to get some sells in from this area. Price to retrace, and then to continue its push down. Pretty much that's gonna be my thumbnail. Catch you guys in a bit.